raw papaya paratha. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Zai and today we are going to make a paratha. It's raw papaya paratha or kache papide ke parathe. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. To make kache papide ke parathe, we would require some grated raw papaya, whole wheat flour, coriander leaves, chopped green chilies, turmeric powder, red chili powder, dried mango powder or amchur powder, salt, oil. To begin with, we'll take a big bowl in which we'll add the papaya. This is raw papaya and we have peeled it and grated it. Now since it contains quite a lot amount of water or moisture, we'll add some salt to the papaya, mix it nicely. Now what happens is after adding the salt, the papaya will lose all its moisture and after it gives out all the water, we'll squeeze out the excess water and we'll use it so that our parathas do not become soggy and they do not break while rolling. So we have applied the salt to the papaya. Now we need to keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes, after which we'll squeeze the excess water and we'll use the papaya. So it's been 15 minutes since we have applied the salt on the papaya. Let's squeeze out the excess water to see how much moisture is there in the papaya and put it in another bowl. So here we have papaya in a bowl. Let's add some turmeric powder, green chilies, some fresh coriander leaves, some red chili powder and dried mango powder or amchur powder for the tanginess. Mix it well. Since we have already added the salt to the papaya, you need to check it before you stuff it in the roti. If you feel that the salt is little less, you can certainly increase the amount of the salt. Okay, so stuffing for the paratha is ready. Now what we need to do is we need to knead whole wheat flour, salt, 2 tablespoons oil and some water into a soft dough. So our dough here is ready for the covering of the paratha. Now we need to divide this into portions. So we'll divide the dough into portions and now we need to stuff it with the prepared papaya stuffing. So we'll take a portion of the stuffing and fill it in the dough. Seal the edges nicely and roll out into a ball again. Make sure that it is sealed from all the sides so that the stuffing does not come out. So now we'll take some dry flour, we'll put this prepared paratha and now we'll roll it into a thick paratha with very light hands, making sure that the stuffing does not come out of the dough. So go very easy. So as you can see, our paratha is now ready. Similarly, we'll roll some more parathas. So we have rolled the parathas and I've also heated a non-stick tawa. So let's place this paratha on the tawa. Now we'll cook the underside, after which we'll flip it, drizzle some oil and cook the other side also. So we'll wait till the underside of the paratha is nice and cooked. Let's check if one side of the paratha is done. Let's flip it. Yes. You can see the brown specks on the surface of the paratha. That means it is done. Now what we need to do is, we'll drizzle some oil, spread it nicely and flip the paratha. Even this other side is done and I don't think we need any more oil. Flip it and cook the other side also. So paratha is now ready. Let's take it out on a chopping board and similarly we'll roast the other paratha also. Kache papite ke parathe are ready. Serve them hot with chutney or tomato ketchup.